Hey y'all, so in this video we're going to go ahead and get to Project Lightning Bug. We're going to start doing the master cylinder, the brake booster, and then we'll bleed the brake system and go from there shortly and hopefully get this vehicle back on the road. So here we go. Alright, so as I said, we're going to start with the master cylinder and the brake booster because we have no pedal pressure and I believe the master cylinder is leaking into the booster. Start by taking off the two nuts here that hold it on. Then we'll disconnect the line here, and there's one more line on the backside here. Then our master cylinder will come off. Undo the four nuts and a clevis pin on the inside of the brake pedal. We already have the new master cylinder down here. It's already been bench bled. So we got four bolt nuts on the inside, and then disconnect these three lines, and then everything should come out. There's a pin. It goes right in here. I've already got it out. And you got a nut, and then on the other side you got two more. So you have those four, and then the booster will come out. And then once you get those out, you can take the master cylinder and everything else out of here as well. So we get you guys in there. Alright, so you guys can see the nuts are off. Now we're going to go ahead and go to the other side, undo the brake lines, and pull it all out. As I said before, we got that booster all loose. Now we can disconnect our lines, and then we should be able to pull the old master out and the booster. So let me get my line wrenches and go from there. Alright, so we got the booster out, the master cylinder out. We're going to slide the new booster in, get that bolted up. I'm just going to get it hand tight so I can get the brake lines closed back up so we're not leaking fluid everywhere. I'll tell you, they have 10 pounds of crap in a 5-pound bag in this thing. So let me get that new, you can see the new booster down here. So we'll get that sitting in place and go from there. So what we're doing is sliding this into the firewall. You want to make sure this is in the right orientation to fit your brake booster hose. Now we got that in, we'll go on the inside, put the nuts back on to hold that in. And then we can hook up our brake pedal as well. Sorry this video is a bunch of just short clips, but it's kind of hard to do one-handed, so doing the best I can for you guys. So we got the master cylinder, brake lines hooked up, hooking up the vacuum line, got that hooked up. Now we'll put our battery tray back in, and our intake tube, and then we should be able to start bleeding this. And then we'll go furthest from the master cylinder, which will be passenger rear, passenger front, driver front. All in all, not bad. Maybe about 20 minutes. And that's counting cleaning up my floors and all the leaks. So, time to bleed it. Oh, well, I'm thinking about it. If you look right here on this master cylinder, on a normal Mazda Protege 5-speed, that would hook to your slave cylinder down here. But I have a separate hydraulic system for it. I put my own reservoir on it so those two aren't connected any longer.
Well, it happened again.
Yep, that's right. We got another issue. Bleeding the brake system, the passenger side rear caliper started leaking. So we do have a new caliper on order. We're getting new stainless steel brake lines on order. And then we'll go ahead and get all those on in the next video. Y'all, thanks for watching. God bless. Take care. And if you do
and a happy new year.
And if you like, go ahead and subscribe.